Good morning, friends. This is Hitesh from Anup Kelkas Python Academy. So today I have come with some another concepts. Based on that concept, we have some program. As you all know, are aware about recursion. Okay. So recursion basically it is a concept in Python, which means function can call itself till the condition remains true. Okay. So basically recursion is a common mathematical program concept. It means that function can call itself. This has a benefit of that which provides by the loop through the data that to reach a result. Okay. So basically in short we define the recursion, that means function can call itself. Once it is defined, then it is call itself with the based on the recursion. Today we are going to see some code. Okay, so let's see. It is one of the most important concepts in Python. So we have to count the digit. So while reading this sentence you will get the idea. Okay, so what is it? User had entered some number of digits and you have to count it. Okay, whether it may be any number of digit. Okay, so here let's see. Write a recursion function. We have to define a function which is of recursive type, and the function name is digit count. Okay, which will take integer as a parameter. Okay? That means user has to pass a integer and we have to get the number of digits that character contain. Okay, which is of integer type. Okay, so here hint is also provided. The number of digit is increased by 1 whenever input number is divided by 10. Okay, so that means till 0 to 9 it is of 1 digit. Okay, from 10 onwards 2 digit number is started. Okay, so that means if the number is increased by 1, whenever the input number should be, whenever the number is greater than 1, then it should be divided by 10. Okay, that means whenever the input number is divided by 10, that means in number of digit is increases by 1. Okay, so let's see. So here input is given to you. Suppose I had a user had entered 345, which is of greater than 1 digit. So it will each digit should be divided by 10, and we have to define the function as a digit count, which will return the number of digit that input contains. Okay, so this is a basic definition of recursion. As you all know, Python also accept function recursion, which means a defined function call itself. Recursion is one of the most common mathematical programming concept. It means that function can call itself. It has a benefit of meaning that you can look through a data to reach a result. Okay, so here onwards we are going to start the coding. So here with the help of def keyword we are defining any function which is followed by the name of the function. As you all know, the above description we will get to know the definition. Name of the function, that is digit count, which is passing as a n as a parameter. What is n? N is a number which was entered by the user. If it is if it is less than 10, that means from 0 to 9, so it will return 1. That means suppose user had entered only 0 to 9 number, any number, because it is of 1 digit, so it will return 1. But from 10 onwards it is of 2 digit number. Okay, from 10 onwards it is of 2 digit number. So for that we have to return 1 and again call this function, but this time whenever we calling the function it should be floor division by 10. Okay, floor division by 10, that means suppose I had entered 10, it will return 1, but it is of 2 digit number, so for digit count will call itself, and that 10 should be divisible by 10. That is this is a floor division. Okay, so it will always catch the as a lowest integer number. Okay, so here in the main, this is the starting point of function. So here we are accepting input from the user which is of integer type. While calling the function we are assigning to this digit, you can directly call the function within the print statement also. Okay, so once we calling this function, we will get to know how many digits does that number contain. Okay, so right now we are running the program. I had providing some mobile number, and we will get to know how many digit does that digits contain. Okay, so I have passing 988100422. Okay, I think it is of 10 digit. One, let me count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it is of 10 digit. Yeah, it is giving 10. Okay, it is giving 10 digit this number contains. How things going on, let's see. From here I have passing this 988100422. While passing this number to the num variable, it will call this function. Control will shift it to here. In place of n, this digit is passing, and it will check whether that digit is less than 10. Yeah, 9. It will first check. It is of 9. It is less than 10. No. Now control is moved to the next one here. So first time it will return 1. Okay. Next time 10. Okay. So it will return the 9800, that is of 10. 10 divided by 10, we will get the 1. We will get the 1 here, but 1 divided by 10, that is of 0.1. But due to the float division, it will always allow us to choose the lowest integer value, that is of 0. Okay, with the help of this concatenation operator, 1 and 0 will concatenated, and it will return 10, which is of 10 digit number. Okay, suppose I had passing another number, maybe 1 2 3 4. It will again return 4. How things going on? It will check whether the 1 2 3 4 is less than 10. No, it is greater than 10. Then control will shift to the else part. So it will return 1. Next, 1 2 3 4 divided by 10, it will get a 1 2 3. Okay, again it will check it is less than 10. Again 1 plus 1 2. Again now digit contain 1 2 1 2, that is of 12, which is of 2 digit number. Again it is divided by 10. Again we will get 1. So 1, previously we will get 2 plus 1 3. Now it this time contain 1. Now it will check 1 is less than 10. Yeah, again it will return 10. That means due to this function we will get the 1. So basically this function is going to call 3 times. That means we are saying it is a recursive function, because here function calling itself. Okay, till the condition remains true, function calling itself, we will get the return as the number of digit is 4. We will get this 4. Okay, so it is a very simple program. Suppose if you have any doubts, do comment us, subscribe the channel. Thank you. And one more thing, you have to practice it. Okay, thank you.